Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful electric Apartamento espresso machine. It comes to us for repairing. So when I tested, I found out like some issues like these safety switches. It's kind of thermostats. Both of them was like burnt. The cables on them was melted. This old version of pressure stat, like which is rocket, recommended to replace it every time we see it with a newer ones, but that one the customer already sent it with the machine and with its filter, but he was putting the filter on this old one, but it didn't work. So I just replaced both of these, and even the power switch, the cables was like burnt on it, and even those both thermostats was needs to be rewiring. Look at these, how it's badly burnt, and here's the old power switch, so get replaced with a new power switch too. The machine in general needs kind of tune-up, but the customer decided to do it himself, but I cannot ignore like cleaning the group head well, and I just put a new shower screen and a new silicone gasket. So let's go ahead and test it and make espresso shot on it. This machine comes without the pocket porter filter, but I'm using a different porter filter. I do want to push it so far, but like when they use their own porter filter, they can push it until align the gasket and make it like the perfect way, like 90. This is the first shot after repairing. There you go. Actually, this keeps shaking for some reason. He can replace it himself. But still, the machine gives a great shot. There you go. It's like thick crema. 3 layers of coffee and a very tasty shot. So let's test the steamer. That works perfect. And let me test the hot water. That works great too, and the machine starts refilling right away. There's shaking here. This thing comes without any screws, so I just found 4 screws for that, but these two I couldn't find the right ones, so it just keep vibrating when the machine works. So I don't know, I do want to put any glue or double face on this. The customer might still have these screws, so he can just put it. So that's all. The machine functioning perfect, everything works perfect now, except like this keeps shaking, this gauge here, but he can even, I don't know, fix it or replace it. Thank you for watching.